Given the high interest rate in today's market, is it still practical to collect rent today as a landlord? Regardless if you are searching to purchase a property with high rental yield or you are currently owning one, I will be sharing with you on how the recent increase in rental property tax could impact you and how to navigate this change in the current market. Hello everyone, my name is Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Rental rates have increased rapidly from 2021 to 2023, which is good news for landlords. However, the government has announced yet another increase in property tax, effective from 1st January 2024. Here's the property tax payable for before 31st December 2022, December 2023, and the latest revised tax in 2024. To explain further, let's use a 3-bedroom unit in City Square Residences located at Farrer Park MRT station as a reference. Supposedly, you purchased this property in 2020 for $1.7 million as a rental property. I have collated the difference in property tax based on these 3 years by taking a monthly rental income of $5,500 and an annual value of $66,000. If you are renting out a 3-bedroom in City Square Residences today, the difference in property tax payable between 2023 and 2024 is $1,950. Although this might not seem significant, let's do a breakdown of the total cost of owning a $1.7 million rental property. In 2023, supposedly you were collecting a rental of $5,500 per month with a bank interest of 3%, and your monthly interest payable will be about $3,200. Adding in other expenses like your maintenance fees, agent fees, and property tax, your total cash flow is $580. In 2024, assuming that your rent and other costs remains the same, after deducting the revised property tax, your total positive cash flow is reduced to $371. Given that this calculation, it is understandable that landlords would consider raising their rental rates to offset the increased cost. However, the concern here is that with around 44,000 new homes entering the market, tenants will have more options, potentially driving rental rates down. For example, if we look into the past rental transactions for City Square Residences from the start of 2024 to today, the average rental rates have adjusted from $5,007 to $5,005 to $5,004 and lastly $5,000 for April 2024, seeing a decrease of almost $700. So how can you navigate these market conditions as a landlord today? Before I share with you more, I would like to ask that you like and subscribe to my channel so that my content will be able to reach to more people like yourself. A good strategy is to not solely rely on rental income, but also focus on capital appreciation. Looking at the transactions between 2020 and today, City Square Residence has not only increased in rental prices, but also in value. A 1195 square feet unit that has transacted at $1.7 million back then can now sell for over $2.51 million. This also means potential profit of close to $810,000 should you decide to sell and cash out today. Moreover, on the performance of the entire district over the past 6 quarters, it does appear that the prices in City Square Residence have peaked. Comparing this to renting out over the next 3 years for $5,500 a month, bringing you a total positive cash flow of $13,000, selling now could yield significantly higher returns as you would require more time in order to catch up to the profits which comes with selling right now. To sum up, I have different advice depending on which stage you are currently at as an investor today. Firstly, if you are a buyer looking for a property to rent out, ensure that it not only ticks the boxes for rental income but also fulfills the needs for capital appreciation given the high cost of owning a rental property today. Secondly, if you own a property which behaves the same as City Square Residences, consider swapping out your property so that you can repeat the same profit cycle, and it's not easy to rely on rent as a good investment plan. Do reach out to me if you require professional advice on your property. Once again, my name is Melissa and I'll see you in the next one.